An immediate energy boost, rich in protein and iron, and an excellent snack. Welcome to Whada Gravy. To make the instant laddus, heat a kadai, add 1 cup of roasted Channa Dal or puffed Bengal gram dal. Fry until it is hot enough that you can hold it in your hands and you get a good aroma. Transfer to a mixer jar. To the same kadai, add 1/4 cup of ghee. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped cashews and 1 tablespoon of chopped almonds. Mix and reduce to a minimal flame. Nuts can be added according to taste. You can also make it without adding nuts. To the puffed Bengal gram dal in the mixer jar, add 7 to 8 pods of cardamom or according to taste. Add a pinch of salt. A little bit of added salt enhances the taste of any sweet dish. Grind to a fine powder. Transfer part of it to a bowl. To the remaining powder, add half a cup of powdered jaggery. Grind so that everything gets mixed well. Transfer to the bowl. Mix everything well. Roasted chana and jaggery make for one of the best snacks that you can have. Both are rich in iron, so they help maintain proper hemoglobin levels and fight anemia. Mix the nuts. Add the hot ghee with the nuts to the gram flour jaggery mix. Instead of frying the nuts separately and adding, when done this way, it saves a lot of time. Add the remaining cashews, which have been kept for garnishing, to the hot kadai for it to get a nice aroma. Switch off the stove. Now rub the flour with the ghee and mix everything well. The ghee should get incorporated into the flour. Chana is high in fiber and jaggery rich in minerals. Not only do they aid in digestion, but also help relieve constipation. Once done, start preparing the laddus. The correct consistency is when you're able to mold it into laddu shape without it falling apart. In case you're not able to, you can add 1 or 2 teaspoons ghee and mold again. Chana is rich in protein and jaggery in potassium, so they both aid in strengthening the muscles. They aid in weight loss by increasing metabolism, promote heart health, and help in controlling blood pressure. Molding should be done when the mix is still warm to get the best results and for it to hold together. When you feel like having a sweet, have these instant healthy laddus. They not only up your immunity and energy levels, they also keep you young and glowing. Serve garnished with cashew nuts. If you like my videos, do subscribe and do let me know your feedback in the comments section below. Join me on Saturday for another interesting recipe.